Okay, where are you going? Where are you going? Are you leaving? Put the violin down, bro. Huh? Are you gonna go with Brenda? You have your purse and the keys? Oh, okay. Okay, bye. I'll see you later. Be back soon. Bye-bye. Where are you going? I love you too. Where are you going? Oh, you forgot your pacifier? Okay. Okay, now you're ready? You ready to leave? No.